Fiberglass duct board is fiberglass that has been bonded with a resin to form sheets similar to plywood. An aluminized vapor barrier is bonded to one side. A typical sheet is 48 inches by 120 inches. Duct board is versatile and lightweight, and its built-in insulation value makes it an excellent alternative to metal ductwork. Fiberglass duct, like pipe, has male and female ends. Male ends have a staple flap and the duct board is compressed to the inside of the duct. Female ends do not have a staple flap and the duct board is compressed to the outside of the duct. The female end slips over the male end when connecting two pieces of duct. There are 7 major duct components: elbows, transitions, offsets, offset transitions, end caps, branch taps, and supply taps. Elbows are used to change the direction of airflow. Elbows may be any angle, but usually are 90 degrees. On large duct, elbows have turning vanes to improve the airflow. Elbows have a throat, heel, and cheeks. A transition is used to change from a larger size duct to a small size duct. An offset is used to change the line of the duct when it is wrapped around an obstacle, such as a flue or roof joist. An offset transition is used to change the size and line of the duct. This is often done when a duct must fit into an area of a specific size. End caps are used for what we would expect. They cap off the end of a duct. The end cap for a female end is cut so that the fiberglass is larger in each dimension than the ID of the duct section. This means that the piece the end cap is made from must be longer and wider than the dimensions of the duct to be capped. How much larger depends on the R value of the duct board. R values measure the thermal resistance per unit of a barrier's exposed area. The higher the R value, the greater the insulating power. R4 duct board is 1 inch thick. R6 duct board is 1.5 inches thick. And R8 duct board is 2 inches thick. There are 2 types of taps. The first, called a branch tap, uses the full width of the duct and is used when tapping a branch duct onto a main duct. The second type is the supply tap. It's installed with a reduced width so that it reduces the amount of air passing through the grill that is attached directly to the end of the tap. The installation of both is pretty much identical. There are several tools and supplies required when working with fiberglass duct. You will need a Sharpie or permanent marker, tape measure or folding ruler, a duct knife, the John Manville style is preferred, an outward clinch stapler, a squeegee, also called a duct rubber, pressure-sensitive tape, sometimes referred to as smack tape, mastic, a paintbrush, Panduit tie straps, a tensioning tie tool. As always, be sure you are properly outfitted with all J.R. Hobbs required safety materials when on the job.